You are watching CIO TV by Enterprise IT World, a production of Accent Infomedia.
So SonyQual has always been a good support partner for us. We did face some challenges during the pandemic time because we wanted to, when we started, see, we had close to 4,500 people on the work from office, which we moved to work from home. So we had so everybody has to connect to the network because all our clients are whitelisted IPs for us. So which means people cannot directly access them from home. So once everybody was moved to a work from home mode, and they have to log in back into the network within the office, and then they need to go out on the outside the firewall. So this was a double burden on the firewall. So we need to immediately deploy VPN boxes. So yes, we did try two solutions. One was SonicWall and another one was another product which I don't want to name, which was a cloud solution. But SonicWall worked best for us. So SonicWall, we were able to deploy all the 4,000 users in a very short span of time. And SonicWall, there was a good support from the local team, the marketing team, the technical support team. They were able to give us. We ordered a lot of products from them at the last moment. They did help us in doing a lot of last minute shipments. We moved products from Hyderabad to Chennai. We did a lot of juggling around to set up everything, and they were fully cooperative. And in fact, even without releasing PO also, they went ahead and supported us, and the national level head also supported us. I'm very happy that SonicWall stood with us, stood with in times of in these kind of testing times. I really appreciate and take this opportunity to thank SonicWall and team for the fantastic support during the COVID times.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Warm welcome to CIO TV.live, a sister concern of Enterprise IT World. Today, my guest is Mr. Vijay Anand, the Vice President, Global IT and IES, Coro Health. To give you a perspective and background of Vijay, he's a business and digital transformation leader, innovator, and IT evangelist with more than 21 years of experience in IT infrastructure and information security. He has worked in many vertical industries, including healthcare, IT, ITES, and manufacturing. Thank you, Vijay, for taking time out and speaking to CIOTV.
Thank you, Sanjay, for giving this opportunity and an opportunity to even spread the knowledge to all the people, the other CIOs, fellow CIOs, and fellow IT leaders. Thank you.
Okay, my first question is to understand your organization. If you can tell me briefly about the organization in respect to the users, how many users are there, what is the kind of assets you have, will be really nice to kick off.
So Coro Health is a global organization which was recently merged with four different organizations across the world. These are enterprises completely owned by the Carlyle Group US and Triple Tree investors in the US. So we had Visionary RCM, which was the previous organization, which was a US healthcare based RCM industry, and we had three other big channel partners in the US. All four came together and formed Coro Health. We are currently a 6,000 strong organization globally with centers in the US, India. India, we have three centers: Chennai, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, and in US we have in Los Angeles, Kansas City, Dallas, and New York City. So basically we are under the revenue cycle management. Revenue cycle management is medical coding and medical billing. So we deal with a lot of technical software coding, other services, account receivable services for enterprises in the US, hospitals predominantly, and hospital care insurance companies.
All right, Vijay, how does your infra look like? Is it completely into cloud, or it is on-premise, or you are into a hybrid mode kind of thing?
Yeah, thanks, Sanjay. So our environment, our architecture is completely on hybrid mode. We cannot be completely on the cloud, neither we cannot be completely on-prem. So what we have done is we have devised a strategy and architecture where our services have to be seamlessly reached to the end users to perform their activities. So we are completely on on a partial mode, a hybrid mode. So we have services running on Azure, which is predominantly a main partner, and we have our own internal HCI solutions running.
Well, Vijay, you have joined this company amid this pandemic. What is going to be your strategy? How has been your journey for last 3 months in this company from a strategic point of view? How have you help your organization keep immune from the outside attacks?
So in this past 3 months or 6 months, we have actually grown. We have recruited close to 1,500 people over the past 3-4 months, and we are recruiting more people because of the growing industry. This particular industry is growing. The major challenge has been on the IT security front and on the compliance. We can be able to do a lot of controls, regulations inside the office, but when it comes to a work from